Facebook.com sign into Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign into Facebook accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can also sign into Facebook using the Facebook.com browser, or you can also use the Facebook application depending on whatever you're looking for. Just go ahead and then open it up, and then you're going to see this type of interface. Now if you have your account saved, you will find the saved account and you can log in directly. But if you want to log into some other accounts, you can just tap the login to another account option here, and once done you can simply enter your mobile number or email address and then your password as well. And after you've done that, you can just tap the login option here in order to successfully log in to your Facebook account. This way you can go ahead and then sign into Facebook.com or Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.